Thank you, Krishna sir, for having a wonderful learning experience on smart money concepts. This course has changed my trading style because earlier I was able to make below 50% win rate only. Last couple of days, I'm able to do 100% win ratio. And yesterday, I earned 450 points in Bank Nifty options based on smart money methods only. And about this course, this is a very interactive 100% practically oriented and 100% live market training for 1 month. Kishore sir teaches us from the level 0 to pro level. In market hours, live market hours, we need to explain the charts based on the concepts what he taught, predict the next move of the scripts, entry, exit, stop loss, target, everything. And he corrects us and groom ourselves during these course days. This course is perfectly structured. It starts from the point of stop selection to entry and target and stop loss. And right now I'm fearlessly taking position and getting good returns. Earlier I was unable to control my emotions after getting into a position because right now I don't have any emotions because I know that I have entered the position based on the market structure and at the bottom level. So my stop loss are very tiny and I am able to get to 1 to 4 5 ratio returns. And finally, I thank you, Kushal sir, for conducting such a wonderful course on smart money concepts. And Krishna sir, you are one of the best mentor when it comes to the stock market. I really appreciate your patience and commitments to the participants. And once again, I thank you and I recommend this SMM course to others from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.